What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. It is December 3rd and it's Monday. Today I have class at 10 o'clock and it is 9:46, so I literally have to go right now. And yeah, I'm gonna go to class. I'll be back at noon and then figure out what else we're gonna do today. I'll keep you guys updated. I will see you guys later. And I'm gonna go to class. Alright guys, I just got back from class. A little thing happened. So I just came back from class and I would have got out a little earlier, but there was a little bit of a lockdown. So my school was on lockdown for almost 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half. I was sitting in my math class and I got an email from the university and a text that just said the school's on lockdown and there is a suspect with a gun. I immediately just started freaking out like a little bit in my seat. So I like waited a little bit and then I was seeing other people get the emails, so we all like started talking about it and we were just like, oh, we're on lockdown. So it was a little scary. We just got out of the lockdown maybe like 10 minutes ago. Suspect turned himself in and is in custody, so that's a lot better. I don't really know any more of the details, but that happened. So I guess my finger was covering the microphone as usual and forgot to show you my amazing dinner. So I made white rice with my favorite Mandarin Orange chicken from Trader Joe's. Amazing. And on the side are these Chinese style barbecue pork buns, also from Trader Joe's. And they are so good. And this is my favorite meal ever. So I am going to eat my dinner here. I'm going to watch some TV. I have two shows on Mondays that I like to watch. Holiday Baking Championship is on at 9 o'clock and then The Good Doctor is on at 10. So I am gonna wait a little for that.
Mahoney County Jail. Just before noon there was a fight between a student and a non.
Well, they just did a little segment on the news about the lockdown, so that was what I was just reacting to. Anyways, I just got a package. Well, I got this a while ago, but I just went downstairs to go get it because I kind of forgot about it. I already know what it is, but let's open it anyway. So I ordered a windshield and dash mount for my little camera. There we go. We got a little sticky thing here. Okay. I got this little car mount for my camera, so we are gonna try this out tomorrow and see how it works. And that is gonna be it for today's vlog. Okay, so sorry this vlog was a little short. The whole lockdown thing was just a little much for me, so I didn't really do a lot today. So apologize for the short vlog, but tomorrow is gonna be a really exciting vlog, so stay tuned. Peace. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all that stuff, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.